What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Chaz Paisley. This is literally going to be my first ever in-person YouTube video, so you guys are going to have to cut me some slack if it doesn't look the best, but don't worry, I'm gonna get there. These videos are going to be looking super professional in a matter of weeks to months at this point. But let's get into the real reason you're here. Now, if you're somebody who struggles with low self-esteem, somebody who struggles with loneliness, someone who struggles with having no purpose in life, feeling like there is no point to life, feeling angry towards the world, feeling like there's no point towards anything, waking up and just feeling like you're just existing. If you are somebody who just goes through life in a cycle, literally just doing the same things over and over and over again, if you're somebody who feels like they can't be their true selves, who feels like they just get crippling anxiety when they go out, or just feel like they can't be who they really want to be because of whatever traumas are affecting you or whatever inhibitions are holding you back, this video is for you. This channel is for you. And the reason I could sit here and say all this is literally because I was that person. I was the person who struggled to even just get out of bed because I just felt like there's no point to life, who was angry towards the world and felt like I had no purpose in doing anything I wanted to do in life, who felt like I wanted to be someone, I wanted to be this awesome person, but I just didn't know how. Felt like I was held back because of my fears, my angers, my traumas. And now I'm someone who is on the opposite end of it. You know, now I feel confident in myself. Now I love myself. Now I love going outside and challenging myself. Now I love teaching and just being a great person and helping people. And I know each and every one of you who's watching this video, who's resonating with this message, you can be that type of person too. You can come out on the other side and make something amazing out of yourself. And that's the reason why I'm creating this channel. That's the reason why I'm making this video. And that's the reason why I know that all of you should hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, and tell me your story. Let's get this thing started, because this is gonna blow up eventually. I know it, I see it, and I'm manifesting it right here. So if you guys are resonating with this message, like I said, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because there's going to be great things coming. Peace.